नमस्कार YouTube, कैसे हैं आप? मेरा नाम है सुनीत मल्होत्रा। वेलकम टू राइडर्स रियलिटी। हालांकि मैं ये एपिसोड स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ एक ट्रेन स्टेशन से, बट आई एम रियली प्राउड टू से दिस ट्रेन स्टेशन इज़ न्यूयॉर्क सिटी। Today is Christmas. The time right now should be around 3:30, and I only have just about 6 hours with me to spend in this city. So let's find out all can I explore in this beautiful city. I'm gonna try having falafel from the street at Madison Square Garden. Should not be that good, but yeah, I don't have high hopes, but let's see. The falafel was not good. For $6, definitely not good. पर क्योंकि ये न्यूयॉर्क है और क्योंकि मुझे भूख लगी थी, why not? थोड़ी दूर और we will be reaching the Central Park. Well, actually the Central Park is pretty far from here, but we'll be reaching a place called Bryant Square or Bryant Park. I don't know, we'll find out. But it's quite a big city. After spending a good amount of time at the Bryant Park, I'm heading ahead and see other places. Most likely I'll get to see the Times Square. So after traveling for another 10 minutes, I have reached a point near to the Rockefeller Center. Again, because of Christmas, this place is so beautifully lit. It feels so nice to be here right now. Here, let me show you. Okay, I'm back, charged up after that coffee, heading again to the Central Park, although it's already about 6:30, so there's no point of going to the Central Park, but we're still gonna go there because we've got all the time in this world. So I've reached the Central Park of New York, but obviously it's dark, so we won't be going inside because there's really nothing much there. To my right is Central Park. We'll go to Times Square as well because that's probably the most loved place during festivals. So after walking for another 20 minutes back towards the Madison Square from the Central Park, I am at which is probably the most famous or popular spot in New York City, the Times Square, and this is how beautiful it looks like. Hey, it's New York, B, it's Christmas. This place is lit like anything. It is just about 7 p.m. right now. It's pitch dark otherwise, but you can see the amount of light I'm just too happy to be here right now. My goodness, check out this place. So that was the Times Square, one of the most popular places in New York and one of the most preferred place in New York to be in, especially during Christmas. I'm gonna have one last pastry from the Junior's Bakery next to the Times Square, and that should be it for the day for me. Do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll see you on the other side. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. They say when in New York, try a bagel. Well, here it is. Merry Christmas.